Paano gamitin ang Atome Virtual Card? Based on my experience. Let's go! Before natin sagutin ang question paano gamitin ang Atome Virtual Card, sagutin muna natin ang tanong kung saan pwede gamitin ang Atome Virtual Card. Based sa Atome website, pwede natin gamitin ang Atome Virtual Card online like Lazada, TikTok Shop, Shopee, Shein, at based on experience, pwede rin natin i-connect sa PayPal at marami pang iba. Just make sure lang po sa payment option ng mga online platform na ginagamit ninyo at shop ay meron silang for credit or debit card as you can see in the video. And look for MasterCard symbol. If meron symbol ng MasterCard, meaning tumatanggap sila ng Atome credit card. Ang need mo lang gawin right now is to fill up the card details na hinihingi nila. Tanong, paano naman po kung walang logo ng MasterCard sa credit card na tinatanggap nila tulad nitong sa TikTok? In that case, subukan mo lang to test kung accepting ba sila by entering your Atome virtual card details. At makikita mo kung tumatanggap pa sila or hindi once na-leak mo na ang Atome virtual card mo. In the case of TikTok, tumatanggap naman sila ng Atome virtual card kahit walang MasterCard logo. Tanong, paano po mag-fill out ng card details online? To fill out, open your Atome app, tap card, at mapupunta ka dito. Tap view CVV in settings at mapupunta ka dito kung saan makikita mo ang physical card. Beside your physical card, makikita mo itong arrow na ito, pindutin mo at makikita mo ang Atome virtual card. To reveal your card number or card info, tap this close eye icon, then tap verify to verify your identity. Then your Atome virtual card info will be visible just like this. Kung saan you can enter sa TikTok shop or other shop kung saan paggagamitan mo ang Atome virtual card mo. Tulad ng ginawa ko. After mo ma-enter ang card details, tulad ng ginawa ko sa TikTok shop, makikita mo na successfully linked na ang Atome virtual card mo sa online shop. As a bonus, based on my experience, you can still use your Atome virtual card not only online but also through physical store like pharmacy, restaurant, supermarket, gadget stores, at marami pang iba as long as may QRPH sila katulad nito. Pero may mga cases na hindi gumagana si Atome. Kaya always magtanong sa tendera or sa cashier kung tumatanggap pa sila ng Atome as payment. Tanong, paano mag-scan sa Atome? To scan, buksan ng Atome app, pindutin ang QR page button sa gitna at mapupunta ka dito. Ang gagawin mo ay to scan the QR page ng tindahan tulad ng ginagawa ko. Once na-scan mo na, mapupunta ka sa QRPH payment. Dito sa payment section, enter mo lang ang total bill mo. Then once na-type mo na, click Pay Now at hingiin ang 6-digit passcode mo. Enter mo lang at makikita mo itong notification na ito, meaning successful payment mo. Tanong, possible po ba makash out ang Atome credit limit? Technically speaking, Atome credit card are not designed to be converted to cash. Since Atome credit card is substitute to cash and were designed for digital payment. Pero if need talaga ninyo cash for your own personal reasons, pwede kayo pumunta sa USSC Service Store or My Center para magpa-convert ng credit limit ninyo to cash. Yun nga lang, hindi lahat ng store nagko-convert, kaya set your expectation. Tanong, paano kung walang My Center or USSC near me? In that case, you can message me at my FB page or Instagram tulad ng ginawa ng aking mga subscriber at FB followers. Informative ba ang video na ito para sa inyo? And dahil dyan, gusto na rin kumuha ng iyong sariling Atome credit card. Kung ganun, maglalagay ako ng referral link sa description kung saan you can use it to get your own Atome credit card. Also, kung gusto niyo rin suportahan yung aking pagiging content creator, you can also join as a member sa aking YouTube channel by clicking the link na ilalagay ko sa comment section. And since umabot kayo at the end of this video, may 2 bonuses rin ako para sa inyo. So if you want to make your credit card or debit card more secure, possibly gusto nyong bumili ng anti-theft sticker kung saan it will hide your CVV sa likod ng iyong credit card, making it more secure. Especially, kadalasan sa atin, ginagamit natin tong card na ito in groceries, ganun, and kadalasan napapansin natin right na tinitake note ito ng mga staff ng mall. To make your credit card more secure, kasi better safe than sorry, you can buy a anti-theft sticker. So you can use my affiliate link dito kung saan if you use it with a minimum spend of 200 pesos, magkakaroon kayo ng discount up to 25% of your total purchase, cap at 600 to 1,200 pesos. Depende na sa promo ni Shopee yun. So, if you also want to learn paano naman kumuha ng iyong sariling Atome credit card, may tutorial din ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. Hindi kaya gusto mo tutunan paano mag-cash out sa Atome credit card mo, may tutorial din ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. So, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang, see you in my next video. Let's go!